What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're back with another e-bike. I'd like to introduce you to my Lacros. This is my Lacros Thunder. It's normally $16.99. It is currently on sale for $14.99, so get in while the getting is good. We got a lot to talk about with this bike, and of course the review ride. It's got a range of about 60 to 80 miles. It utilizes lithium-ion batteries by Samsung or LG, 48 volt, 20 amp hour. Of course, it can carry about 350 pounds. That's a lot, guys. Down here, you got your rear hub motor, 750 watts, 1000 watt peak power, and it weighs about 83 pounds. This is a good looking bike, and you get a lot of bike for the money on this one, guys. Obviously, you can see it's got a rear storage rack here. It is dual suspension, so you have your dual shocks on the front, and then you have the shock absorber right here as well. Of course, you can lock out the front shocks. You can make them tighter. You can make them looser depending on how you want them. It does have the shelf in the back. It's got a tail light. In fact, we can turn that on real quick. And a headlight. Take a look at this. Tail light. It looks like it says Wonder Woman. Tail light. And when you hit the brakes, that's right, you have brake lights as well. Super bright projection LED headlamp also. I love this kind of military green look. That's pretty slick, man. Love the color. You've got the fat tires. You got a 7-speed Shimano with a tourney derailleur. Here is your shifter assembly right here. Very simple layout. You got a little bell. You got hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear. A very basic screen. Very basic screen. Very simple. You hold the up button to turn the headlights on and off. All right. You hold the M button to turn the power on and off. We'll turn it back on real quick. There it is back on. Up here, you've got your energy bar. I suppose that's just your battery. Down here shows your mileage. You push the M button and you'll get your trip and whatever VOL is. CUR, probably the current that the motor is drawing, the time that the bike has been on. Then up and down will be your pedal assist mode. So all the way up to 5. All the way down to 0. 0 means you're pedaling all by yourself, and as you progress all the way up to 5, you get more assistance from the motor. You have a twist throttle right here, and that's about it. I love the ergonomic hand grips as well. I really like these. I don't like the ones that are just round. I like the ones that have a nice place for you to rest the palm of your hand. Now, I've ridden this bike about 2 miles today, and I'm here to tell you it's a great bike. And for the price, you're getting quite a bit of bike for your money. So why don't we stop talking and why don't we take this thing out for a little ride? All right, so I'm going to start off with pedal assist 1, and we're just going to see how it's doing here. Pedal assist 1, I'm cruising at 7-8 miles an hour. Definitely needs a lot of input from me. Pedal assist 2, let's get around this corner real quick and we'll see how pedal assist 2 handles. A little bit better. I'm doing 10.5 miles an hour, but it's requiring a lot of input. Let's move it up to 3. Oh, much better. Much better. Now we're at 12, about 12.5 miles an hour without too much input from me. Pedal assist 4, oh wow. Pedal assist 4 gets it. There it is. There it is. Pedal assist 4, we're up to 16 miles an hour, and I'm not having to pedal very hard. Let's see what pedal assist 5, whoa. Okay, pedal assist 5, we're at 20 miles an hour. No problem, very little input from me. My goodness. All right, she's a go-getter. We'll use the thumb throttle now on pedal assist 5. Let's just see how that feels. Nice, very smooth. I think this bike has about 84 Newton meters of torque. So it's quite a bit, guys. There's quite a bit of torque coming from this motor. It's handling the gravel very well, maintaining about 20 miles an hour. No issue. Feels very stable, very comfortable, confident. Very nice. Brakes feel amazing. All right. Hey, it's been a while since I've been on an e-bike, man. I missed it. These things are great. Oh man, wow, we're really cooking with grease now. Okay, 22 miles an hour on the gravel. Good night. We're about to find out what the top speed is. And of course, we're gonna find out how it does going up this hill as soon as we get it out on the pavement. So why don't we get off this gravel road now that we've seen that it handles it with no issue at all. And let's see how it does on the pavement. The shock absorbers are great, guys. Handles these bumps like it's nothing. All right, you guys ready to go? That was a big bump. There we go. Oh man, bike handles great, guys. We're already doing 25 miles an hour. Wow, 27, 28. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. 28.3 miles an hour seems to be about the top speed on throttle. Pedal assist 5, oh no, I can't pedal. There is no pedal, guys. Pedaling, you're gonna cap out about 27, 28 miles an hour. Wow. Okay. Yeah, no joke, the bike gets it. The bike gets it. So the question is, going up this hill, how's it gonna handle? Because this is a big struggle for a lot of e-bikes. So currently 28.3 miles an hour, and here we go up the hill. Let's see how much this bike has to struggle to get up it. We're at 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. That's it, 22 miles an hour. That's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. The slowest we got to was 22 miles an hour uphill. I'm 210 pounds, 5'11". That is really awesome. Oh, we got a dog in the middle of the road here. Let's see if we can get past this dog here. There we go. You gotta watch out, man, these dogs out here. People out here don't believe in leashes or anything, you know, they just let their dogs do whatever they want. And sometimes when a dog sees a person on a bike, they come after you. They'll get you. All right. Not too shabby, guys. Let's take it around the neighborhood real quick, see how it handles these curves. I should really be doing more pedaling, but I'm really enjoying letting the bike. Oh, that's a big bump. Handled it great. I'm really, whoa, there goes the camera. There goes the camera. Hold on. I'll fix you guys. How's that? Is that better? There we go. All right. Sorry. Sorry about you. Man, this bike just moves. We're doing 28 miles an hour. So far, the energy bar hasn't moved at all. None. Still full battery. We're over 3 miles into the ride. All right, sharp corner. Very nice. Did about 15 miles an hour around that corner. Not too bad. Lots of bumps. It handles them great. This is a very comfortable bike. The seat is really nice, heavily padded. That rear suspension is saving my hide from all of these bumps that I'm going over. Oh, I love that shop. I'll take it, sold. Man, so far, guys, no complaints on this bike at all. None. Ride's amazing. Right out of the box, put it together. Haven't really adjusted any of the suspension components. It's just as I got it out of the box, and it's perfect for someone like me. Absolutely perfect. We've already made it back to the intersection, guys. That was quick and easy. I can tell you this, we're definitely going to hit the 5 mile mark on this one, guys. Oh man, this is nice, and the weather is absolutely beautiful. We're getting back into the warm weather, you know what I mean? It's that time of year again. It's nice to be out. You don't have to have a jacket. I'm in a short sleeve shirt. It's perfect weather for riding a bike. Absolutely perfect. This, this thing is great. Hey, listen, I have a real passion for these e-bikes, man. I really love them. They're a great way to get out and have some fun. and exercise. Now, I'm going to be straight up with you right now. I'm not doing much exercising because I'm letting the bike do all the work. And the reason for that is I just had surgery a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. I'm not really supposed to be doing all the pedaling and stuff, you know what I mean? So I think that's a perfect point for this video, is maybe you're somebody that's got some health issues. You can't be out like heavily pedaling constantly, right? This is great because you just hit the throttle and down the road you go. You don't have to be out here stressing and hitting the pedals really hard, really exerting yourself. You don't have to do that. You can absolutely exercise, but if you just want to get out without putting too much effort in, these things are great. You twist the throttle and down the road you go. And just like that, we're back to the gravel roads, guys. 5 miles in. It appears that this thing might have some type of regenerative charging. I'm not entirely sure, but I noticed that if I let the bike coast for a while, the battery bars actually start climbing back up towards full. Again, I'm not entirely sure that that's the case. I can only tell you what I'm seeing. And what I'm seeing is if I let off the throttle and just let her coast for a little while, the battery bars go up. In 5 miles, guys, we barely used any juice on this battery at all. Hey. Starting to see all kinds of kids out in the neighborhood, man. It almost feels like a real residential neighborhood, you know what I mean? Got all this construction going on, all these new houses are popping up. I'm running out of places to ride out here because of all the kids that are out here riding. I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to do my videos. So again, back on the gravel. I know you can hear the vibrations in my voice. Obviously, it's a bike. We're not in a luxury car. You're gonna feel the bumps, but I'm here to tell you I've ridden a lot of e-bikes, some of them with a front suspension and no rear suspension. That rear suspension makes a big difference, guys. The rear suspension makes a huge difference. We're over 5 miles in, probably about to hit 6, and I'm comfortable. My backside doesn't hurt. This is decent. Energy bar is still relatively full. We've used 1 bar, and I bet if I go up here and I just coast a while, I bet it comes right back. Oh, somebody's got a fire out here. Oh, it smells good. Uh-oh, there's another dog. Dang it. Please don't chase me. I think we're about to conclude this video, guys. This has been fun, and I'm loving this bike. All right, so we made it back. And other than being a little bit dusty and dirty, the bike handled it just fine, guys. 6 miles, not an issue at all. I'm not going to say it's a perfect bike. I don't want to make it sound like, you know, I'm shilling for the company or anything. But the fact of the matter is, overall, an excellent bike. I'll show you 1 or 2 things that I think could be improved upon. Really, it's not that big of a deal. But primarily for me, it's this display. It's functional. It works. It's intuitive. There's nothing complicated about it. I mean, the controls are very simple, and I like that. Kind of minimalistic, very simplistic design. All the way up to pedal assist 5, back down to 0. Headlights, you just hold the up button, like I said earlier, on and off. Power on and off, you hold the M button, and you can cycle through everything. As you can see, the energy meter, I don't know how many bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there were 10. We've got 9 bars left after going 6 miles. I think the display would be nice if it was color. You know, just something a little bit nicer, a little, just in the horn, the bell. You know, maybe a horn and a nice color display. Other than that, I can't really fault the bike at all. I'm not really big on turn signals. I don't care about the bikes having turn signals. It doesn't matter. I really like the twist controls. I prefer these over everything else because it's just like riding a motorcycle. In a way, it feels very similar to riding a motorcycle. Again, with the light, take a look at how bright that is. All right, that is crazy bright. Same thing with the taillight. The taillight alone is relatively bright. You can easily see that, and the brake light, of course, is pretty bright as well. overall, I think it's a great bike, especially for the price, guys. I highly recommend you go pick one up now if you're going to get one before the price goes back up, because currently it is on sale. I have a lot of people asking why I don't show the assembly process of the bike. Guys, I feel like the assembly process is just a waste of time, all right? There's no reason to film putting it together. It's very simple. You put on the wheel, you put on the fender, you put on the handlebars, the pedals, and that's in the seat. That's pretty much it. If you're handy with tools, you're a DIY type of person, this will be no issue for you at all. If you find DIY stuff a little complicated, you're going to want to sit down with the instruction manual and really look it over. Maybe watch a YouTube video or two of somebody else putting it together, and you'll be good to go. I think just about anybody can put these together. It's not rocket science. Everything has a place. Everything bolts up pretty much in one way. Very easy to assemble for the average person. So I give it my seal of approval. With that, I am going to get out of here. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking time to watch my video, and thanks to Lacros for sending us their amazing e-bike. I'll put a link directly below this video so you guys can go check it out for yourself. Like I said, get in while the getting is good, because it is currently on sale. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.